Here's number 9. Ano pa rin? Marco.
Grabe naman yun, dadak na ang hagad.
Basket. Good hit. Jersey number 7. Ganda ng pasa.
What a hit on jersey number 6.
Jersey number 6. Ganda ng pasa kay 7. Basket on jersey number 7.
Nice ball. 51 libre basket.
8 po kagad. 77.
Masa basket on jersey number.
It's 5-7-7. Pass on 2 basket.
This guy has proven. Going to try basket on jersey number 25. 14. No look back on second basket.
Ada for 3. Wala. Grabe si 25. Iyara na rin.
Ito na. 7-7. Basket on jersey number 77. Aquino. Pasang 15. Pull up 2 basket. Then on to shot. Basket on Paris.
Kanina blue guy.
7-7. Basket long time. Tapos lang. 15 seconds. Laro ko at least. Basket on jersey number 3. On the second. Rebound. Aking Marco. 3-on-1 behind the back pass. 51. Pinakasa basket. By 2. Ayun na pinasa. 4-3. Tumbo. Sige. 27. 24 seconds. Sakit si Tiger. Sakit. Ganda na pasa. 5 seconds. Maraming kantin on the shot clock. 80. Patay po ito. Basket on jersey number 7. Pass to 33 kilo Cruz. Dami nila nakita. 22. 3.
Ito na.
15 on the shot clock. Basket.
Number 15. Basket by jersey number 15. 7 minutes and 32 seconds. With a fake drive. Basket yan by jersey number 4.
Time to shoot. Survive Green.
Number 5. Passengers number 5. Full of jumper. Basket yan. Oh, that's foul. Seconds on the shot clock. It is number 6. Basket yan. Ready for pass to jersey number 51. Easy basket yan. Minutes and 9 seconds. Here's number 6. Libre. Basket yan. 42 to 30. Ready for substitution.
Cool na.
Here's 9. Oh, that's blocked by number 51. Here's number 15. Pass to Aquino. To 51. No good.
Hard. Cool.
Here's number 5. Oh, that's blocked by number 6. Pass to number 51. To 7. Delora. Basket yan. Pass with pass. Into mid 51 with a quick drive. Basket is good. 14 on the shot clock. Pass break again by number 51. Easy basket. Ready? Basket by Delora. Oh, pass to jersey number 1 for 3. Jersey number 1, 3. Pass to jersey number 21. Easy basket yan.
Basket.
There's 51. Easy basket. 2 points. Remaining. Oh, pinalusot pa ni jersey number 15. Basket niyan. 30. There's number 15.
Grabe. Ganon pala.
Shot clock is off. Foul yun. 40 on the shot clock. There's number 1. Jersey number 9. It's 5 seconds. Basket by Aquino. KD. Pass to jersey number 6. No good. Rebound by number 24. Basket by jersey number 6. Jersey number 77. Pass to jersey number 7 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. Pass to 51. Still by number 61. Pass to jersey number 6. Foul counted.
Maligaw na kita.
First one, a sprint through. Basket 3 to 49. Huh? No good. Rebound by number 3. Easy basket. Pass to jersey number 6. Back to 25 to 6 for 3. Jersey number 6. 3 4. Here's Con Singh. Here's number 25. Pass to jersey number 6 for 3. Okay, the rebound by number 28. Pero na-steal niya. 10 on the shot clock. Here's Delora. Still by number 6. Pass break pass, pero na-under jersey number 77. Here's Mindo, pass to Consing. Oh, that's foul. Here's number 25 to 6. 10 on the shot clock. Oh, saan nun? Jersey number 6. Pinali-bali pa. Here's number 24. That's blocking foul by jersey number dribbling the ball. Here's KD. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to jersey number 6. No good. Rebound by here's number 15. Oh, but carrying the ball violation.
Highlight, welcome to my guys. Basket.
Basket by number 25.
Ready for timeout.
Here's KD. Ready? Cool. Number 77. Pass through. Number na ito, number 3. Basket. Score. And ito na, jersey number 15. Full of two. Basket.
Balik sa dalawang kalaman. At and for 3, no! At kanino?
May bawal pala.
And no! Here's by jersey number 14 for a minute and 5 seconds. Nice pass on jersey number 17, basket. Here's by 7-7. 13 on the shot clock, malakas nga lang. What a nice put back on jersey number 3. Ito na, Aquino. Pass to 17. And 7-7. Basket. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Ready for timeout, team hardcore. 15 on the shot clock. At for 3, wala. 15, no. It's by foul. Back to the ball game. At penalty po tayo. 2 minutes and 55 seconds. Number 3 points. Kumubesa si Jopit, no? Number 25, no. Ito na si Idol. Jersey number 6. Ganda na. Travel and violation. Nakapaglakbay sa Idol. Mula 3 hanggang ilalim. Ito na. Jersey number 77. One-handed shot, no. Ito na. Number 3 basket. Umahawi na ang team. And Aquino. Pass on. 15. Back to Aquino. 13 on the shot clock. Number 7. Basket on Dolora. And jersey number 77. Pinatid. No. Ibang by 7. Dolora. Ito na. Number 7, basket, 1 minute and 25 seconds. Lead ball. 1 minute and 15. 15 on the shot clock, wala. Limang by jersey number 15. 1 minute exactly. And 10 on the shot clock. Huli si Idol. Eto na, De La Cruz. Basket on De La Cruz. Akala ko, sure natin ay 72-70. What is being moved? Wala ka lang. Kanino mabubutan number 6? What of the end of a class? Ganda ng pasan. Ilipay si jersey number 3. Basket. Dahil sa apat ang kalma. Ganda ng pasa. Foul. And who's power up? Here's by Aquino. Back to Aquino. 15 on the shot clock. 15 seconds. Pull up 2. Wala. 10 seconds. Uy! Out of bounds. Pinasa sa labas. Huli. Number 77. No. 2 seconds. 1 second. Boom. Patay.